Hello, good day. Welcome to this channel again. Today we'll be looking at something very fun in Excel. We'll look at something very fun in Excel. Excel is not just about statistical calculation. You can also use it for time calculation and for time manipulation. So today I'll show you how to manipulate date data in Excel. How you can manipulate date data in Excel. So quickly, let's get started. So, like you have on the screen, you can see the worksheet here is on the A row. You have it as date data. So it doesn't really matter the format the data comes in, the format of the date, but you just need to know how you can use the date data. First and foremost, I will show you how you can pick the day out of the data. So that is very easy. I can just say this equal to date, then this is for the year, sorry, day, done this, day, get it, and this, it gives me two, that is the second date, that is the date actually is just two. So from the date, from the full string data, I've gotten what, just the first part, which is the date. I don't need any other. In case you want to do separation, that's what you can do. So if I want to get the months, I'll do it in like way, month, and I'll pick the cell and use it as reference. Then the month tells me it is one for January, two, this, dot, just the case it may be. Then if you go to December, do I have December here? Okay. I don't have December in this data. But if I have December, you see, okay, let me change this date to 12, which will give me December. You see, there's 12. Now I can pick the year out, which is very easy. That's a year. So this is the cell I'm using. Good. It gives me just the year out of the full date string. So that's how I've done the separation. I've taken the day out, the month out, and the year out. Now, if you look at this, if you look at this month, you see the month is given in numbers. I really want to make the months to be in alphabet, something like January, February, not one, not two. So what we're going to do, we just do this equal to text. We change it to text. Why are we changing to text? This particular stuff, you can use the A column or you can use the C column. So I'll use both. I'll use this. I'm using the A column. So I have to bring out the month, which is this. Good. I've gotten out the month. Then I put the format of the text I want. So I want it in months, full months, January, not Jan. I put into four places. I'll close it. Then with this, I'll have my January in full. Take note that I made use of the column A. Now, after doing my separation, I want to make use of the column C. What will I do? So to make use of the column C, I just simply do it straight and no need for me to extract the dates, the months again. So, okay, good. Then give me an error. Okay, I use a single quote. That's why. you have to use a double quote and not a single quote. Good. So that's the case. I can hear someone saying, "Nah, I'm not a prophet." I can hear someone saying, "Okay, what about if I want to get it in a short form, like then, Feb, Ma? How will I do it?" It's just simple. It's just simple to get it in a short form. It's just simple. So all you have to do at this time is just to do this text. You do this text. Good. I'm using this. Remember, I told you I'll be using the two. Good. So, but before I use that, I have to bring out because I'm getting at the months. I pick the months out of the full string. Then what will I do? Sorry, I just have my comma. Then instead of into four places, I make it into three places. Then with this, I've gotten my gen. Okay, can you do that using the C column? If you can do it, just pause your video and give it a try. But if you can do it, here is it. You just do equals to time text. Sorry, this is the reference cell. I'll pick it out 1, 2, 3. Now, if you notice something between when I use the reference cell C1 and when I use the reference cell address A1, you'll notice that in A1 I pick out the months before use applying the strings. Just as you can see in the formula bar, you can see this in the formula bar using the cell A1. I picked out the months from the value in A1 and apply the text formatting string. But using this, you find out that using cell reference C1, the date, the month has already been picked out from the A1. So I don't need to use A1 again. I don't need to use month again. I just need to go straight and do the formatting. Okay, I still have some other things to do, but in the next video, I'll show you how you can actually choose between a range. I can make use of the choose formula to get to extract the value that you want. Just make use of the choose formula, you apply it all through, and you have your solution. So this well this file will be made available. The download link will be made available the description of this video. Please have a nice day and do ensure you watch part 2 of this video, how to use the choose formula. Bye bye.